Okay, so let's go ahead and make this a customized web server. At this time, I'm logged into the Windows machine that we just created in Microsoft Azure. The objective here is to make this a personalized website. In the last videos, we installed the web service role on this machine, and that's how we were able to get to it. When you install the web service role, you will have certain folders created under C drive and inetpub. Under inetpub, you will have www root folder. Every time you open the local host, or when somebody tries to access the public IP, they will be connecting to this particular file called as iisstart.html. We can either customize this page or put our own file here and name it as index.html. Open this index.html, and now you are ready to write your HTML content inside this particular file. Now you can write simple text like this. This is a sample web page. Or if you know HTML or how to write HTML, you can definitely write the HTML content right here. I will save this page because I don't want to complicate things by writing HTML code, but if you know HTML, please feel free to do so. I will close it, and if you notice, this page does not appear to be an HTML. This is still a notepad. You see this? There's a difference here. It's a text document, and this is an HTML document. So although the extension here appears to be .html, it is not an HTML document. That is because the extensions are hidden. What does that mean? Let's go ahead and see this. If I click on view and then click on this file name extensions, check this, you will notice that index.html is not index.html. Instead, it is index.html.txt. So I will right click and rename this and remove the last 4 characters, and that will make it an HTML document. Now it has got its own icon as well. Let's go ahead and refresh this page in the background. I'll hit F5 on the keyboard, and as you see, the local host is now pointing it to the new file that we just created. What will happen if I do the same thing on my local laptop? So I will minimize this server and then go back to this little screen and then refresh the page. Now instead of going to the default IIS page, it should take me to the new file that I got created. There you go. Just by refreshing it, it is taking me to the new file. So every time you create a website, by default, it points it to the index.html. So even if I do index.html like this, it will be taking me to the same file. So in this video series on virtual machines, you learn about how do you create a virtual machine in Azure, how do you make it a web server, and how do you access the web server from the internet and from the intranet. Then we learned how to customize the web page.